Welcome everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Today's topic is brain regions and their functions. Brain is the central part of the nerve system which governs the functions of various organs in the body. It is quite interesting to know what are the different regions of the brain and how these regions functions. This article deals with the brain regions and their functions which will help you to understand what form of part your brain controls, what mainly activities. The nerves system comprises of the brain, spinal cord, and sensory nerves, and it is the most complicated human body system. The brain is the most complex and delicate organ of the body. Though it weighs about 1.4 kg. It contains approximately 100 billion nerve cells. It is made up of three major regions: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. And each region consists of different interdependent parts. Major brain regions: the cerebellum. The forebrain is the largest part of the brain, which consists of the cerebellum, thalamus, and the hypothalamus. The cerebellum is further divided into two hypothalamus: the right hypothalamus and the left hemisphere. The right brain controls the left part of your body, and it's where your language and creativity comes from, and the left brain controls the right part of your body and is responsible for logic and reasoning. Thalamus and hypothalamus. The thalamus and the hypothalamus are rather teeny part of the forebrain, yet they play a very vital role. The thalamus is located between the cerebral cortex and the midbrain and plays an important role of relaying the sensory and motor signals to the cerebral cortex. The hypothalamus is a very vital link between the nerve system and the endocrine system. The midbrain. The midbrain or the mesospinal is situated between the frontal lobes and occupies the center of the entire brain. Hearing, vision, body and eye movement are controlled by this midbrain. The midbrain is also subdivided into three parts called tectum and tegumentium and cerebral peduncle. The hindbrain. Hindbrain, as the name suggests, is in the posterior part of the brain that consists of the cerebellum, pons, and medullum. The hindbrain, along with pons and medulla, is also known as the brainstem. Other brain regions and their functions. Cerebral cortex. The outermost layer of the cerebral hemisphere, also known as the gray matter. It is divided into four lobes, each having its specific functions. The four lobes are frontal lobes, parietal lobes, temporal lobes, and occipital lobes. The central cortex with all its four lobes is involved in the functions of learning new information, forming thoughts, language processing, making decision, analyzing sensory data, and performing memory functions. Corpus callosum. The corpus callosum connects right and left hemisphere and allows communication between the two hemispheres. It also plays an important role in your vision and the movement of your eye. It consists of nearly 200 million axons. Frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is responsible for the memory and cognition. It enables you to concentrate and attend, makes you capable of elaboration of thought, judgment and inhibition, thus involved in personality development, emotional traits and social and sexual behavior. It also helps voluntary motor activity and motor speech. Parietal lobe. It helps in the process of sensory input, sensory discrimination, helps in body orientation. It is also the part which helps to judge the shape, size, and distance of an object. Occipital lobe. It is concerned by primary visual reception area and primary visual association area which allow visual interpretation. Temporal lobe. The temporal lobe rules over auditory, receptive, and association areas. It takes care of expressed behavior, receptive speech and information retrieval. Limbic system. The limbic system manages the olfactory pathways, amygdala and their different pathways, and hippocampus and their different pathways. Limbic lobes control the functions related to sex, rage, fear, emotions. The system